welcome back to my channel for my CVS deals video. We are in the second week of this ad cycle and you can do all the deals again. We got back the same instant CRTs like we did last week, and most accounts received a $4 hefty CRT, and we already have a $1 digital coupon in case you want to use them. The first item I have here will be the Jolene Cream Bleach, priced at $7.29, and it's part of the buy one get $5 back. We don't have any coupon for this, but you can use a percentage of CRT if you don't mind paying out of pocket. But without the percentage of CRT, pay $7.29 and get $5 back, making it just $2.29 only. Another item in this deal that is very cheap that you can do is to pick up the Nail Face Cream Hair Remover, priced at $7.79. We still don't have any coupon for this, but you can use a percentage of CRT. Without that, pay the $7.79 and get $5 back, making it just $2.79. I found some foot masks on sale. The one for AmoPay is on sale for $3.24. We don't have any coupon in our app that is attaching to it, but we have $1 back from Ibotta, making it just $3.24. And the next foot mask will be the Dr. Scholl's, on sale for $1.74. The last one is your key foot mask, on sale for $1.87. If you need any of these foot masks, just look around. Hopefully you will find some. And the last item on sale I have in this video will be the Caliber brand scientific calculator. It's not tagged at my store. You can scan at the red machine, or you can ask a cashier to scan it for you. It's on sale for $2.69. The next deal I have is spend 15 get 3 on Lysol household cleaner or disinfectant spray. Pick up one Lysol all-purpose cleaner, priced at $7.29, and pick up one of the Lysol air sanitizer, priced at $11.29. These two items are on sale for buy one get one half off, which means that the air sanitizer will be full price because it's higher price, and the all-purpose cleaner will be half price, and that will drop down to $3.65. These two will total $14.94, and that's within the 98% rule to do the spend 15. We have a $3 coupon in our app for the Lysol air sanitizer, and we have a 50-cent digital coupon for the all-purpose cleaner. The two coupons will drop it down to $11.44, and you get $3 back, making it just $8.44 or $4.22 each. The next deal I have will be on Palmolive dish soap. They're on sale for buy one get one half off, and when you buy two, you get $2 back. Pick up two. They are priced at $4.99. The second one will be $2.50. Both will total $7.49. We have a $1 digital coupon that came in today that will drop it down to $6.49. And you get $2 back, making it just $4.49 or $2.25 each. If you need nail polish, Sally Hansen is on the deal of spend 8 get 2 back. Pick up one of the Insta Dry, priced at $7.99, and that's within the 98% rule. We have a $2 digital coupon that will drop it down to $5.99, and you get $2 back, making it just $3.99. The next deal I have is on Revlon hair color. They are on the deal of buy 2 get $3 back. Pick up two. They are priced at $5.49, and both will total $10.98. I have a 2 off 6 any hair color CRT I got in my email. That will drop it down to $8.98, and you get $3 back. Check your Ibotta because it's giving back $3 on each. That means you will get $6 back from Ibotta, making these 2 boxes free and 2 cents money maker. The next deal I have here will be on Monday hair care. They're on sale for buy one get one half off, and when you buy two, you get $4 back. Pick up 2 of the leave-in conditioner because that's the cheapest price. They are priced at $6.29 each. The second one will be $3.15. Both will total $9.44. We have a 2 off 2 digital coupon that will drop it down to $7.44, and you get 4 back, making both bottles just $3.44 or $1.72 each. The next deal I have will be on OGX Hair Care. They are part of the buy 2 get $4 back, and they are on sale for buy 1 get 1 half off. Pick up 1 shampoo and 1 conditioner, priced at $9.29. The second one will be $4.65. Both will total $13.94. We received a 4 off 2 digital coupon that will drop it down to $9.94 and you get 4 back, making both just $5.94 or $2.97 each. The next hair care deal I have will be on Tresemme. They're on the deal of buy 2 get 5 back. Pick up 2 of the extra hold hairspray priced at $6.49. Both hairspray will total $12.98. I have 2 coupons I got from Unilever email that will take off $1.50 from each hairspray. That will drop it down to $9.98 and you get 5 back. Check your Ibotta because it's giving back $2 on each. And after the $4 back from my Ibotta, it will make both products just 98 cents or 49 cents each. The next deal will be on L'Oreal Elvive. They're on the deal of buy 2 get 6 back. Pick up 1 shampoo and 1 conditioner. They are priced at $5.99 each. Both will total $11.98. We have a 3 off 2 digital coupon that will drop it down to $8.98 and you get 6 back, making both just $2.98 or $1.49 each. If you like the Hollywood Beauty brand, they're on sale for buy 1 get 1 half off, and when you buy 2, you get $4 back. Pick up the tea tree oil, priced at $4.49, and the second item you pick up will be the cherry oil, priced at $4.29, which will be the half off because it's the lower priced one, and the price will drop down to $2.15. Both will total $6.64. Pay that and get $4 back, making both just $2.64 or $1.32 each. If you want to use the 15 or 60 hair care CRT that everybody received, you can combine all this hair care in this deal. If you combine all of them, the total will be $66.26. But if you don't want to do that, you can remove the Hollywood Beauty hair care. That will drop it down to $59.32. And this amount is within the 98% rule to use your 15 or 60. And after all the coupons apply, it will drop it down to $32.32 and you will get $22 back in extra care box. Remember, you're submitting your receipt to Ibotta for $2 back on each Tresemme. That's a total of $4. And also $3 back on the Revlon hair color. That's a total of $6. And that means you're getting back $10 from Ibotta. That means all these hair products you're looking at, excluding the Hollywood Beauty, will cost just 32 cents. The last deal I have is the spend 30 get 10, and Pampers are included in this deal. They're on sale for 2 for $22. Pick up 2 of the Splasher swim pants, and we need $8 to complete this deal. Pick up 2 tights simply, on sale at 2 for $8. All 4 products will total $30. And this will be an all-digital deal. We have a 3 off 2 digital coupon for the Pampers, and we have a 75 cents digital coupon for the tights simply. These 2 coupons will drop it down to $26.25 and you get 10 back. Check your Ibotta because it's giving back $1.50 on each Pampers. That will be a total of $3. After the $3 back from Ibotta, it will end up making these 4 products just $13.25 or $3.31 each. And this concludes my video for today. I hope it's helpful. Thanks for all your support and thanks for coming back every week to check out my channel, and I'll talk to you next time. Bye.